Hello everyone, my name is Gianni and today I'm gonna show you how to add camera shake to your videos in DaVinci Resolve. So let's jump straight into the edit page and let's see how to do that. So here we have a video that was filmed on a tripod. If you can see, when I hit play, everything stays still except the reverb. Now to add some natural camera shake, we need to go to Effects, open Effects, and look for the camera shake effect. Then drag that on top of our clip. And now you will see that a camera shake effect has been applied to our clip. But the effect is very unnatural, so we need to change a few settings. What I like to do first is to go to the motion scale and drag that down to a value around 0.304. So let's say 0.031. Then drag the speed scale down to 0.405. That's typically a more human-like movement. And of course, increase the motion blur to something like 0.1. Now, if we hit play, we'll see that the movement is a lot more realistic. But there is a lot that we can do to improve this. And it starts with changing the randomness scale from, let's say, 0.1 to 0.2. And then, of course, increase the randomness speed from, let's say, 0.85 to 1.1. This will make sure that the movements are a little bit more random and more pleasing to the eye. Last but not least, if we want to have the best result, what I like to do is to avoid the zoom to crop. So basically, instead to let DaVinci crop in on our video, what I like to do is to change the border type. So right now it's set to black, and if I hit play, you will see that there is like a black edge. So basically the clip is moving, and whenever the clip is out of frame, there is like a edge that is black. Now that's very annoying, but what we can do is change the border type from black to reflect. And right now, with that simple change, the black edges are gone. So now, if we hit play, the video will look like it was filmed handheld. Nice! So that's how you add some camera shake to your videos in DaVinci Resolve. For more tutorials, make sure to subscribe. See you in the next one!